Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access the direct deposit form on EasyWeb. The process is very simple. All you have to do is go to your browser and then simply search for EasyWeb setup direct deposit. You will see how to access the direct deposit form, EasyWeb. Go ahead and click onto this link. And as you do that, you will see a page like this. You can also do it via your web browser or maybe your device. First of all, you're going to have to choose an account. Once you have chosen an account, you're going to have to simply select direct deposit form from your manage section just beside activity. Now, as you do that, all you have to do is access the form. If you would like to try it on, let's say, Web Easy or EasyWeb, select try it on EasyWeb. And for that, you will be required to log into your account via a web browser. So go ahead, type in your username or access card. Once done, type in your password. And as you do that, select login and you will see an on-screen prompt which you have to follow. And likewise, this is how you'll be able to access your direct deposit. Thank you for watching.